What's going on, vibers? It's your boy J.S. Vaughn. And guess what, y'all? We back with another one, y'all. Today's track is called Sound the Alarm by your boy The Four Owls featuring Smellington Piff. You know what I mean? Let's jump into it, fam. Let's go.
Block the exits, kill security. It's the owls, the owls. Relax, nocturnal instinct. Go, yeah, I'm doing myself like public masturbation. It's only gold that I find like a gypsy casing. Shit hits harder than the blunt detonation. Running down the street like Smokey with adjacent. Like custom sound for the right check. It's the rhyme vet. I stay grounded like a side step. Dialect giant on the never.
I stay grounded like a sidestep. Okay.
Check, it's the rhyme vet. I stay grounded like a side step. Dialect giant, only few could ever grasp him. Scientists are warning like it's Godzilla. So unique that the government are marking him. Happy down like I had the superpower harboring. Harnessing my strength will be a problem for all. What's left is turned loose like an opening toe. People always say it's like I'm a crime lord. Put your hands together like you're standing on the dartboard. Hard-headed like I'm really half sideboard. Uplift the nation but only playing the right chord.
Yo, so now we switching up the frame like we benching weights. We were meant to play center stage. When I tread the maze, set the pace, step away from the vehicle. I don't know your destiny. I give them this, but then I get to keep.
Step away from the vehicle. I don't know your destiny. I like that, yo. I like that.
Set the pace, step away from the vehicle. I don't know your destiny. I give them this, but then I get to keep the rest of me. My nerves are jumping all over and it's starting to get to me. Is it really telepathy? Am I reading it mentally? Where does the adventure lead? Guess we're finding out eventually. The centerpiece of the table, I'm never leaving, I'm faithful. The recipe they're unable to copy. Maybe they got me. Tables are turning and nature is working its magic. I'm swerving the track, bursting the barriers, watching how good people are turning to savages, observing the damage.
What is swerving a truck, blazing it, watching how good people are turning into savages. Yo, man, it's freaking facts, man. That shit is facts, yo.
Swerving the track, bursting the barriers, watching how good people are turning to savages, observing the damages like damn this shit. I don't understand this shit. Was acting like a captain and he just abandoned shit.
Everywhere I go, I'm moving on the low, holding down a show with a bag of dough. Oh.
Yo, hold up, man. Yo, right here, this dude sounds just like freaking Busta Rhymes from Leaders of the New School, man. Like that freaking every single day is at a PCA. And it's funny how it says old school, right, right there. You just remind me.
Everywhere I go, I'm moving on the low, holding down a show with a bag of dough. Old school like
A bag of dro.
Never know how the flow gets switched up when I swap it at the topic. Shit will heat up like the tropics. You'll get held up like a hostage. That's my final day. Agnostic for you in the jail. Must be taking all your dust to your life. Is what the final cost is. Hit some A-class lines. You better get crushing till you're rushing. Dilated pupils don't know they let the sun in. You lay awake buzzing.
Dilated pupils. Don't gotta let them know to let the gotta tell a Russian dilated your pupils down let them know they said it. I like that. Leave me alone, man. The simplest things I like. Leave me the fuck alone.
Dilated pupils don't know they let the sun in. You lay awake buzzing, whining from the substance. Hyperventilating to these lines and percussion. And they write a rhyming substance. Ionize in abundance. That's the oneness that's wanted like hunters. I wonder where the blunt is. Been another one and run it. I'm only that's 100. So I'm out here ain't fronting. I'm ripping from the gutter through the cities to the pumpkin.
The barbarian, the sound, banging my chest. The rock a barbed wire crown, bent back as a vest. The scrap pile king, police are backfiring. But they're gonna have to resurrect Elliot Ness. I'm telling you straight. Llewellyn the Great, my troops are called the revolution. Send me the tapes. Wise fanning me with palm leaves, sending me grapes. Or it's off with the heads, call me Henry the Eighth. I'm followed by the thunder and the snow, but I won't be happy until this world is under my control.
I'm followed by the thunder and the snow, and I won't be happy until this world is under my control. Where the light is, where I'm coming from, the other side. That's bars right there.
By the thunder and the snow, but I won't be happy until this world is under my control. Where the light is, we're coming from the other side. My vampires attack until the sun arise. Why the
My vampires attack until the sun until the sun arise.
light is, we're coming from the other side. My vampires attack until the sun arise. Why the fuck you acting unsurprised? The Dark Lord, I'm in the Death Star. Above the skies, illegitimate king, you best believe the shit. I'm beheading anyone that's questioning my leadership.
I'm the king, man. I'm beheading anybody that's questioning my leadership. That's bar. I got the hiccups, man.
Illegitimate king, you best believe the shit. I'm beheading anyone that's questioning my leadership.
Back with a bang, hatching a plan to be a prodigy the same time, fat at the land. I used to smoke hash with my nan. She told me that we stick it to the man, that the cash I took the knowledge and ran from the land of the hippie. Dippy the mud pie, not Mississippi. Throw a dripping if you wanna get trippy. Like Strissy, went from sticks to the city. Bricks in the kitty, leave women singing, it's a pity, but it ain't really. Never a diva, seal or the beaver. There's a bunch of shit rappers that don't fuck with me, don't fuck with them either. Strissy went from sticks to the city, bricks in the kitty, leave women singing, it's a pity, but it ain't really. Never a diva, seal or the beaver. There's a bunch of shit rappers that don't fuck with me, don't fuck with them either. Bunch of G's up in Britain, always has been, please trust the procedure. Some of your beneaths are good, I ain't your usual bad character. Actually nice, but still abuse and embarrass you. Face to face, don't take.
I like that, yo. I ain't your usual bad character, usually nice, but still abuse the ambulance you face. To face, okay.
Get your usual bad character, actually nice, but still abuse and embarrass you. Face to face, don't take the place of the amateur. I've seen it happen before. They think they're coming raw, but they get blinded by the camera.
I like that. I like how it ends. I always like freaking how these dudes end a thing. You know what I mean? Abuse you, embarrass you, face to face. Don't take the place of an amateur. I've seen it happen before. They think they coming raw, but they get blinded by the cameras. You know what I mean? They think they coming raw, but they getting blinded by the cameras. Because when the cameras start flickering and taking freaking pictures, you lose you lose focus on what your plan was and whatnot. And it veers you off to a different freaking place and whatnot. So therefore, your substance and your delivery is not always going to be on point because you get blinded by success. That's what I think the last line expresses and whatnot. But like, yo, another freaking dope ass track that I got to listen to a little bit more to actually give you a more profound freaking meaning, because they went in on this like on different freaking places and whatnot. And yo, they always go hard on the lyrics and whatnot, in the way that they freaking write the bars and whatnot. So definitely on point, you know what I mean, all day long and whatnot. I gotta check it out on my freaking free time. I hope you guys enjoyed this freaking reaction video. If you guys did, you know what I mean, put it down there in the comment section all day long and tell me about it, you know what I mean, good, bad, and the ugly, you know what I mean. If you guys want more tracks from the 4 hours, do put it down there, or any other type of videos, do put it down in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. You see this right here is my motherfucking thumb and whatnot. I need y'all to take y'all thumbs and throw it all the way up to the motherfucking sky and shit. Show me some love and support in that way. Another way y'all motherfuckers can show me some love and support is by subscribing to the channel right down there all day long, all day long. That's about it. I'm gonna check you guys out next time on the next video. Peace out, one love, I'm out. You already know.